How to install Roblox Studio on iPad. So first thing, Roblox Studio is not available in App Store. The Roblox app is available in App Store, but the Studio is not. So for that, first you need to open up your Safari, and over here you want to search for create Roblox. And once you search for it, click on Roblox Creator Hub. This is Roblox Studio's official website. Once you're over here, you need to log in into your account. I've already logged in into my account. That's why I'm here. Now, once I'm in the studio, what I can do is click on the arrow pointing up button, which is at the top right beside the plus button. Click on it, scroll down, click on add to home screen. From here, you can write Roblox Creator Hub, or you can just write Roblox Studio. You can name it this and click on add at the top right corner, and it's going to be added over here. The moment you click on it, Roblox website will open up in Safari and it'll take you to its homepage like that. That's how you guys can get Roblox Studio on iPad. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.